a JAC T8 1.9 TDI. It's the Unimotor D19 TCID7 to do a crankshaft lock with pistons on TDC. Down here between the sump and the flywheel backing plate, you've got this bevel plate here with bolts in on both sides. There's the one there. Remove them, get a longer one, get your motor at TDC, and then you'll see once you screw it in, it's going to lock up on the ring gear. Once it's locked up, the harmonic balancer bolt, you can remove it and replace it, because everybody knows this one needs to be tied down to 400 Newton meters. What I've done, I got everything on TDC, so I've made me marks there that's going to align with this ribcage here. And that's how I set my timing. Once that is done, you've got your pistons on TDC, your timing chain is on, open up the tappet cover. You're going to have square heads on top of the cams. Only the one side of those squares is imprinted with a QR code and writing on it. Put a straight edge over it, run it with a spanner until it's flush. Lock up the nut while holding the cams in place. And then there you go. That's it. Timing is done.